Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change your region on your Play Store. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, the first thing would be for you to access your Play Store on your mobile phone. Afterwards, go ahead, tap on this profile icon on top right corner. Now tap on this option called settings, which will be given below the Play Pass. And here in the section you can find all kind of settings available for your Play Store itself. Go ahead, tap on the first option called general. Now tap on this option called account and device preferences. Go ahead, tap on it. Now this will open up all kind of preferences and the settings for you, including the country and profile. You can see we do have our country Nepal is registered over here, and if you read it over here, you should change your play country only when you move to new country. You may seek content relevant to the general areas. For us, we have this because we are in this country and we have in this region. That's why it has been automatically chosen. We do not have other option. If we go or move to another country, we will have that country's option where we can switch it from to, right? So we can simply do it like that. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.